Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Canvid for video face recording. So you can actually use it to capture both your display and window. So let's say go ahead and select window. Right here you go ahead and choose whatever is open. So let's say I want this window right here, and all I need to do is first turn my camera on. So I come here and choose HD camera, and there we go. We have our camera showing up right here. And don't worry about the positioning. You can go ahead and change it at the end once the video is done editing, right? So let's say I want to go ahead and record this. I can just click on record right here and then start recording. And I'll show you what kind of videos you can create. By the way, you can go ahead and check out the link in the description, right? This is the link right here, and you can get this tool lifetime for only $99. Okay, instead of the usual $149. And let me show you what kind of face cam videos you can do. You can change the positioning, you can adjust the style, the roundness, you can change the offset, the size, the face cam. So don't worry about where it is positioned right now. You can go ahead and change it at any time. Okay, but just make sure it's actually on. So let me go ahead and do a sample video real quick. So I'll do window, click record, and then it will start recording basically. So I'll wait for this, and then we'll just stop the recording. There we go. Let me just go ahead and click on, let's say, this as a sample, like just for the video purposes. I'll go ahead and stop this. All right, now I'll cancel this download as well. I want to go ahead and cancel that. And I'll show you what exactly needs to be done. Now, if I come here, click on this video option, right? The camera. Can do show camera. There also is a camera AI background where if I come here, can make sure this is, there's an option toggled on where what happens is you can go ahead and blur out so I can change the camera angles, as you can see the positioning. I can blur out the background or remove it completely. You can mirror the camera as well, right? If you prefer that, you can change the roundness. As you can see, you can make it more round. You can do the offset if you want to do that as well. Just go to reset. You can also change the size, right? And there you go, guys. And then you can go ahead and just export the video. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guy provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing on that like button, as well as subscribing to